got a little thermocouple here. Where I've got a little digital thermometer here. It's going to measure the room temperature, which I have is 74 degrees, and the internal water temperature, which is at 73 degrees, okay? So we got 72, 73 on the water on the inside, and 74 the temperature on the outside. And it's not sensing the outside of the bottle, it's just sensing the outside ambient at the bottle, because it's separate, right? Watch what happens here.
It's not a fucking wine bottle. That's a 40 you got from under the seat, Sean.
Actually, no. That was one of my wife's wine bottles, so I pulled it out of the trash. Now just pulling the water, this is pulling the atmosphere down inside this bottle. I'm putting the atmosphere inside this bottle as it's like I'm at 20,000 feet above sea level, okay?
There's your
The
steam.
smoke that's coming off here, this is water vapor that's coming off of this bottle here. It's just pulling it out at a very slow process. And then if you look at it, you'll see tiny little bubbles start to surface from the bottom. If I could get I'm not getting a really good seal here, or I've got a leak on the hose or something, the reason why it's not just going in. But also too, it's rather cool in here. But also, what you see is that the internal temperature of the water starts dropping. What's that? Yes, sir. Or dehumidifier. Also, what's happening too is, like, for instance, in your evaporator coil, when the pressure of the refrigerant, after it gets past that meter device, that refrigerant starts to boil off and turns into a vapor. It's dropping its pressure and it's dropping its temperature. So as I'm dropping the internal pressure of this bottle, I'm making the external of this bottle closer to that 212 degrees Fahrenheit, by comparison to if the internal water pressure was at 14.7 degrees, 14.7 psig at sea level. When I get up